Welcome back to SAEs with Tech, where smart tech meets smarter income. Today, I'm about to show you a tiny machine that can turn your spare corner into a passive income machine. And yes, it's as sweet as it sounds. What if I told you a one-time small investment could start making money for you, day and night, even while you sleep, travel, or work your 9 to 5? Meet the high-tech mini cotton candy machine, your ticket to automated profits with minimal effort. Let's be real, savings alone don't build wealth anymore. Rents are high, groceries keep rising, and side hustles are becoming a necessity. But starting a business, it's intimidating, expensive, and time-consuming. That's where this automated vending cotton candy machine comes in. It's compact, eye-catching, and completely self-operating. Just place it in a mall, park, school, or event space, load it with supplies, and it does the rest. It makes the cotton candy, spins it fresh in front of customers, and takes payment, all without you lifting a finger. It's like owning a small business that runs 24/7, without employees. Think of it this way. Instead of spending $500 on something that depreciates, you're investing in a machine that generates cash every single day. With the average cotton candy selling for $3 to $5 and the cost per serving under 50 cents, the profit margin is insane. Some vendors report making their money back in just a couple of weeks. One machine in a high-traffic location can bring in $200 for $500 per week. Now imagine having 3, 5, 10 of these spread around your city. This isn't just for big-time investors. It's perfect for stay-at-home parents, college students, side hustlers, retirees, or anyone looking to build long-term passive income with minimal work. Touchscreen operation, bright LED lights, automatic cleaning, compact size, fits almost anywhere. Accepts cashless payment options. Eye-catching design equals more foot traffic. Start small, dream big. This isn't just a cotton candy machine. It's a business in a box. Low risk, high reward. One smart decision now can fund your dreams for years to come. Click the link below to learn more and grab your automated cotton candy machine today. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Subscribe to SAEs with Tech for more smart tech that earns while you sleep. Stop trading time for money. Let your money work for you.